Hey guys, I'm Andy. This is Ohio Blade & Cutlery, and today we're going to be taking a look at a very inexpensive multi-tool from Amazon. 10 bucks. Let's get started. Okay guys, this knife actually came as a recommendation from one of the viewers, and I finally bought it on Amazon. Prices actually come down on these things, unlike everything else like gas and housing and food and basically any other thing you can think of. Prices are going up on that. This is actually coming down. This was I think $11.99 when I first looked at it. You can now get it for 10 bucks. So I'll put a link in the description below, and I don't get any kickback or anything from Amazon. It's just, if you're interested in buying this thing or taking a look at it, there is the link. So obviously this is a knockoff of a Swiss Army knife or a Victorinox, and actually that was one of my very first knives, was a real one of those. But you know, it doesn't have any markings on it, so at least it's not infringing on the copyrights in that manner. But anyways, you do get a lot of tools. We're going to take a look at each and every one of those, and we'll do it pretty quickly. So anyways, overall, you know, just initial quality, I mean, it seems really good for 10 bucks. So yeah, let's take a look at it, see what all you get. I don't have a real fish. Alright guys, well there it is, and actually I'm pretty impressed with this thing. The doesn't have a very sharp tip on it, wherever that was, back here somewhere. Anyways, I don't think that is gonna do very well, but I don't have a piece of leather laying around to test it, so unfortunately I can't really comment on that, other than I just by the looks of it, I don't think that's gonna work very well. The other thing is, you know, that magnifying glass is garbage. I mean, it's like a fisheye, and man, it just doesn't, it distorts everything so much. It's really hard to see the lettering. I mean, I think that actually makes it worse than no magnification, so that's not good. But I think just about everything else worked really well. The knives could be a little sharper. They cut. I would probably just do a little bit more sharpening on those just to get them razor sharp. But you know, for 10 bucks, what are you gonna do? I mean, the you can see it's pretty uneven on the grinds on that too. Very small grind on that side. I mean, I'm sure this is just done very quickly by hand, just zoop zoop and on a machine and send it out. So not the sharpest knives, but also not super dull either, so they work. Scissors work really well. I like the pliers on here too. I think that's cool that they give that to you, and those work really well. The other minor complaint is these tweezers are pretty terrible. You can see they're already janked up from the factory. They don't line up left to right there, the two prongs, and that makes it hard to get it back in here too. You got to really push on it to get it in there, but otherwise it's actually pretty good. I didn't have a bottle of wine to test the corkscrew, but I really like that little feature there where you get the eyeglasses screwdriver, you know, or electronic screwdriver. You know, you can use it for really tiny stuff, and then it just goes right back there on the corkscrew, and pretty sweet. Oh, also I forgot to mention, I have stickers now. How about that? So you know, when I do giveaways and stuff, I'll throw a sticker or two in there. If you really want one, I'll leave my email below. You can send me an email, and I'll send you one, probably maybe to the first 5 or 10 folks that send me an email. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. You know, 10 bucks, it's actually a pretty cool little tool, especially if you've got a youngster that is looking to get a little multi-tool like this. 10 bucks, I mean, if they screw it up, it doesn't matter, you know, just buy another one. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.